again everyone, and thank you again for watching. So in this episode we've got a bit of Charles Cam. He's going to tell us how good his soils are with ploughing. I've also found out about this next episode as well, a bit more about his farm. Let's get to know him. And we finished the last bit of Agritechnica off right towards the end, and we got some juicy stuff coming in our next episode. But thank you again for watching and also supporting me while I'm at university. I'm nearly finished, one more year. Sorry the content's been slow, I'm just not on the farm. I am back for Christmas though, so there should be a little bit, and then I'll be back. I'm really struggling with my university work this year. It's really hard, so I'm just keeping going, editing my YouTubes, keeping everything going. But thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Here's Charles Cam.
Hey, so I thought I would do a little bit of filming back here. I'm back at home just for the weekend. Obviously most of the time I'm down at uni. But this is actually our home farm. It's in Rydale rather than I was on the Wolds, which is up that way for placement. So now I'm back at home on our very heavy clay farm back here, mixed dairy beef arable. And this week at uni we've been doing some things on soil health and worm counts and things. So I thought I would just sort of compare what we'd seen at uni, which was basically not a lot of soil health and not a lot of worms on the fields that we looked at anyway, to what we have back at home here. So we've been very lucky this year to get our crops in early because it's been so wet. So this is one of our best fields actually. It's heavy clay, but this is what we would class as quite nice heavy clay. It's quite good land really, this. Quite loamy in certain parts. And this was grass for 5 years, and now it's gone into its second wheat this year. And just looking at the soil, it looks pretty good, even though it's been so wet this winter, and as I said, it's so clayey. But I've just dug a little hole here, and the amount of worms in here, there's a lot. There's they're all over. I'm just struggling to find them now, but I've seen tons of them. There's another there, another there. And the other thing is, you can see here all the ridiculous amount of holes. There's holes everywhere, right throughout all of this soil, and the same in the pit there. And you can see them on the surface as well. You can see all these tiny little holes, which are all from worms coming up, because they're breaking down all the organic matter that was left over from the grass. And also the grassland will have improved the amount of worms in this land. And they're providing a really good job. Because what they're doing for the soil basically is providing drainage for us, restructuring it. And the worms are a really good indicator of a healthy soil. So hopefully right here we've got a really healthy one, which is probably due to the fact that we've had grass. And it goes back to this thing about vegans and whatnot. There's a lot of pressure to reduce livestock, less livestock, but ultimately, you know, we've had grass, we've had a lot of muck, farmyard manure applied to this land, and it shows because it's so healthy. If you reduce the amount of livestock, so we didn't have these grass, we just grew wheat and barley and oilseed rape on this land, it would be nowhere near as healthy as it is after having those 5 years of grass and all of that farmyard manure applied.
So this is used as a merger. We got Case's big combine. This is the new Case combine. Well, not new, I don't think. I'm not sure. I don't really know much about Case.
There you go.
Oh, and it brings it up and straps it. That's easy. That's probably cheaper than sides as well, because you don't have to have all that metal. That's clever. That is the biggest 700 horsepower tractor ever in the world. Biggest tractor.
It's a T7 methane power tractor.
So we're having a debrief, but we're all exhausted now. It was a big night out last night, but we already enjoyed it.
I had 2 hours sleep last night.
Yeah, I think I got 3. But our legs are tired. By last night, by this morning, I'd woken up and I'd already done 10,000 steps as of last night. Anyway, what was your favourite thing today, Amy?
I liked that I actually got round all the halls.
Okay, Ben, what was your favourite thing?
Probably just the vast expanse of new technology that's being displayed or something.
You like looking at all the engines?
I do.
There was a massive, what's it called? Feeder. Like,
Oh, was that?
Yeah.
My favourite thing today had to be that. What's it called? My brain. That's it. Exat. That was my favourite thing.
Nexat.
Nexat. That's it.
My brain's all scrambled. So.
But that's a debrief. Just see how they're all slumped over there.
Our brains are a bit scrambled at the moment, so we don't know what
We're
we're
ready
talking
for some
about.
food, and then we'll see where we end up. I did.
Okay, baby, look at it.
What was it about? Sorry? What was it about? The AEF company that works with...